I'm not supposed to compete in senior national. मैं junior रहूँगा अगले साल, लेकिन I'm still competing in senior national just to beat him. To beat me.
Alright, so welcome back. We are here in Delhi. Alright, so we have come to meet fake Natty God. We come to meet Natty God. We come to meet Mannu. I'm coming here to his home gym after 2 long years. Last time I was here was in 2023, and he changed a lot of stuff. I'll show you his house gym. He's gone somewhere. I don't know where the heck he's gone, but yeah, I've been waiting for him for like 15 minutes. Suddenly he disappeared. He collected me from my Airbnb, which I'll show later. So basically, I have come to Delhi for a big muscle shoot. We'll be having a shoot tomorrow. I have no details who are going to be there, but I will show you the shoot stuff tomorrow. But for now, we have our training. Actually, ये training कल होना था. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but because the shoot is going to be there, I do not want to take risks, and I do not have that many details. Today's my rest day. I'm going to get it done today itself. It's light. It's week 2. Mannu's going to train as well. So let's see how that goes. We'll wait for him to come after whatever. Let's see. And I don't have a mic, so. So this is basically one part of his house gym, and he doesn't take care of his stuff. This is his treadmill. I don't know why he has this in a house gym. That's a cycle, his water purifier, his shoes, and this is a cow mat. And then you enter the gym section. So that's his editor, where his editing goes on, and that's an flag. That's his access to his house. There's an AC. The last time I came here, all these walls were like bad. They were like this, but he's put some PVC thing, so that's really nice. The lights are pretty dope here. And this is the rack, which my great self told him to buy 2 years back. And he's got a lot of new dumbbells. 70 kilos, 80, and I think there's 100 there, and that's it. This is his trademark, Natty God, whatever it is. And this is how delusional this idiot is. He thinks he's gonna hit, I don't know if you guys can see, 917 in 2026. I promise you that's not happening. That's pretty stupid. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for him. We're gonna deadlift first together, and then I think we're gonna squat and then bench. And then let's see. Let me show you something really funny in this place. He has an air purifier, and if I'm not wrong, that's oxygen. And then there's a shisha thing. So this whole setup doesn't make sense at all. Very bad influence. But yeah. Mannu, what were you doing?
Shower.
Don't lie.
Yeah. No, yeah.
How many people will come here and do some fuck all videos about you? Dog, so we're having carnage free. Use code BMRN, especially for Mannu, because he misses the brand so much. Then we're going to start deadlifting first. I don't know what Mannu is doing. What are you doing?
Planks.
Cool.
Alright.
You know what? We've never recorded a training thing together, if you think about it. Last time I came here, I was
Training करेंगे.
I didn't have a doctor, and Mannu was crying.
पर मैंने तो PR हिट करे थे last time भी.
Yeah, you were fine. I was wrong.
तेरा hip shift होता है क्या?
No. What do you saw?
एक इस तरफ जाते हुए रोड, मतलब ऐसे चालू हुई और यूं लॉक हो गया.
What?
जैसे कि यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई, बट मत एक साइड ज़्यादा tilted.
It'll happen for everyone. You know, so I have 240, 4 sets of Y. He has 235.
235, then back downs
Yeah.
4 reps के लिए वो.
His coach gave him prescribed load because he doesn't want to stick to RP. For me,
सिर्फ डेड में बाकी सही है. मेरा RP चल रहा है बाकी.
for me, you notice for the past 1.5 years my diet has gone bad.
वो body weight increase करने से होता है.
Yeah, I know, I remember. Even for you it happened. But for me it was more of, bro, last year I was at 74 only, right? I didn't increase body weight, still the same problem. Because of one bad habit, I started pulling the weight too much. So the one...
ज़्यादा slack.
Huh?
ज़्यादा slack.
I would end up pulling. So because of that, I would never wedge into place. And if you have, when you do something for a very long time, you need a long time to fix it.
Wow.
So he's only giving me prescribed loads, no top sets. But I can tell after coming back from Japan, like literally, I was in deadlift before, the same thing is come back. So I can even, like, till Japan, I could even move 330, 340, but I can't lock it out. You see, all my competition, I'm fucking up my lockout. Because
वो body weight का भी असर पड़ता है कहीं ना कहीं.
no, the thing is, after wedging, I'm not using my legs. I'm just pulling the weight. I'm not letting the tension reach 100%.
वो starting में जो तेरी वो होती है ना, क्या कहते हैं, starting में जो तेरा वो speed आती थी पहले, वो भी गई हुई है.
You think speed was coming,
हाँ.
but actually it takes a lot of time. I'm very patient.
Slack में वो.
But then it just looks fast. But I'm not building that tension only, like. So, but like after a long time, it's. You'll see before the year end how suddenly my dad will be like, whoa, what the fuck happened?
मेरा भी हो रहा है ऐसा. मेरा भी कुछ ऐसा ही हो रहा है. मेरा ना कुछ जब से मैंने मतलब ये body weight पे आया ना.
See, body weight. I think the main thing when it comes to body weight, when you put on body weight, the only problem.
मेरे को पता क्या होता है? मेरे को जब ये पेट ज़्यादा बाहर आने लगता है ना, तो squat में तो it feels great. मजा. मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो भाई आसो बहुत squat है.
Squat bench, yeah.
But deadlift के अंदर ना मेरा कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि मैं आगे की तरफ ज़्यादा forward जा रहा हूँ. ये इतनी लोड की वजह से.
You won't fall forward because you don't have a stomach.
वो एक.
But the only problem is when you gain weight, you cannot wedge into place. Like imagine you're wedging till here. Now you're only wedging till here. You're not wedging till here. And when you don't wedge into place, you cannot build that 100% tension. And when you're not building 100% tension, you can't lock out well. You can't. So you have to find a way. For me, I didn't gain weight for one whole year. Just I was pulling too much slack. When you pull too much slack, you see caution. He just pulls the weight. So and he's not able to. You know why his pelvis tucks? It's because his hips are strong in that position. He has to wedge, but for some reason he's not getting it there. And there are many reasons like pulling too much slack or he's just being a dumbo. But
ये वो ज़्यादा slack pull करता है.
Yeah, he ends up pulling the weight. This is why I just restart everything.
वो क्या करता है? वो slack pull में ना सिर्फ अपनी upper body use करता है.
Yeah.
वो ये use नहीं करता अपनी. और जब वो weight उठाना use करता है, तब यहाँ use होता है और तब वो perfect position में आता है. क्योंकि जब वो slack pull करता है, वो यूं करता है और upper body से slack pull करता है और जब weight उठाना use करता है, तब hip अंदर जाते हैं उसके.
You have to wedge and get the tension to 100%. Only then you should let the bar move. It's such basic thing, bro. I knew this when I was 2019, 2020. Suddenly we all became good and we forgot these small things.
भूल जाते हैं ना starting में. Attitude आ जाता है तुम्हारे जैसे lifter में.
You know, my attitude came after spending some time in Mannu.
Man.
I was most humble lifter.
मैं भी humble हूँ भाई.
What is all this?
क्या?
Banging the gate and all.
भाई मेरा घर मैं तोड़ूं ओड़ूं क्या दिक्कत भाई लोगों को हद हो गई.
I'm sure people have problems with that.
नहीं किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है भाई. एक भी कंप्लेंट नहीं आ रही.
No, not outside. The thing when you're relevant, instead of walking like this, if you walk like this first, people will say something about it.
अब मैं गेट को मार रहा हूँ अपने आप को हाइप करने के लिए, उससे लोगों को दिक्कत है.
Obviously. So guys, you have two of the most hated powerlifters in the country right here. Rank 1 is not here. Rank 2 and rank 3. Rank 1 is.
रैंक 1 वो सोच लेंगे पावर लिफ्टिंग में, रैंक 1 हेटेड में. रैंक 1 हेटेड लिस्ट में.
Oh God.
बाकी भाई अगले साल का सीनियर नेशनल मेरी वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री हो रही है सीनियर नेशनल में.
Mannu things.
I am not supposed to compete in senior national. मैं junior रहूँगा अगले साल, लेकिन I am still competing in senior national just to beat him. To beat me.
I'm in 83. You're in 93.
In the best lifter. in best lifter.
So Mannu thinks that he's gonna outbuild me. I'm taking
Out
off.
GL point view.
Let's see if they can out total me. Leave alone now.
अबे देखो क्या अबे मैंने 835 का टोटल तो करा हुआ है
In competition.
कंपटीशन में मैंने भाई मेरी स्क्वाड में बहुत फर्क था स्क्वाड में अभी मैंने मारी है 260 के 5 मैंने
one day win.
नहीं भाई उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है
You must have gained so much weight. You cut a lot of weight.
मैं भगवान की कसम खा के कह रहा हूँ जो मेरा वनडे वेइंग था ना वो कौशल के कॉम्प की वजह से रद्द हो गया कौशल का कॉम्प मैंने रात के 2 बजे तक कराया है 2 बजे तक और मेरा कॉम्प पता है कब था इट वाज वर्स मेरा लास्ट रात को 2 बजे तक मैं कौशल के कंपटीशन खत्म करके सुबह 6 बजे उठ के अपना कंपटीशन खेलने गया हूँ और कौशल के कंपटीशन में कंटिन्यूअसली मुझे इधर से उधर वो जाना पड़ रहा था क्योंकि वो भैंस जो चूतिया दिमाग का वो भेड़ा था लेकिन उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा उसकी लिफ्ट फेल कर दी स्क्वाड की थर्ड में लड़ रहा हूँ वहां पे कि कैसे फेल कर दी वो कह रहा है फेल कर दी मैं कैसे फेल कर दी कहते डेप्थ नहीं है मैं चेक करवाओ वो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है खड़ा रहता है बस उसकी बेंच लगी नहीं रही है वो मैट लाने के लिए बोला था मैंने उसे मैट लेके नहीं आया वो मैं एक मैट मंगाया मैंने अब वो मैंने डेडली प्लेटफॉर्म पे लगा दिया बेंच पे भी मैट नहीं था वहां पे उसकी बेंच में बेंच वही नहीं लग रहा था फिर वो लेग ड्राइव नहीं ले पाता फिर उसको कंपटीशन खत्म होने के बाद इतना सुनाया मैंने मगर तेरी गलती की वजह से तू हारा है जब तेरे को पता था यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा मैट जब तेरे को पता था यहाँ पे लॉक नहीं मिलेगा तो तू लेके क्यों नहीं आया ऑब्वियस चीज ना अगर तुझे पता है कि वहां पे प्लेट में लॉक नहीं थे लगाने के लिए
He takes things for granted. He's very lazy at times. That's that.
और
But so you're telling
2
that you're
बजे
gonna beat me
यस
next year.
अबे आउट टोटल तो मैं तेरे को यूं कर
It's okay,
दूंगा
guys. I'll be humble and say we'll see. I'm not saying anything now because if I say something, it doesn't happen. That's a problem. I am done with that shit. I'm so done. Not doing that shit again.
और मजा आएगा सीनियर नेशनल में
We'll use this clip that time. We'll see.
जब मैं रोडीज की ऑडिशन दे रहा था ना तब मैंने कौशल को बोला था कि अगर मेरा रोडीज में सिलेक्शन हो गया और मैं रोडीज में गया और मैं रोडीज से आया और फिर भी तू मेरे को भैंचोद बेस्ट लिफ्टर में दिल्ली में नहीं आ पाया ना तो तेरे पे थू है क्योंकि मैं 2 महीने तक विदाउट ट्रेनिंग के रहूंगा वहां पे और तू ट्रेनिंग कर रहा होगा वो भेड़ के लड़ने ने पता नहीं क्या
I'll have to cut that part. Gosh, will cry in the audio for whose side are you on?
मैं लूं पहले
Yeah.
आज बेटर फील हुई है डेडली में भगवान 6-7 हफ्ते बाद मुझे 220 किलो जैसा फील हुआ
Why do you think it felt good?
हाँ
Why do you think
न्यू कोच my previous coach was shit
What a great motherfucker, dude. Just letting you know, Manu is one of the shittiest athletes, not coachable at all. Shit, he doesn't listen to shit, has his own fucking little process in his head. What?
अपना दिमाग यूज करके भी भेड़ के लोड़े बेस्ट लिफ्टर ऑफ इंडिया बना था मैं
You became best lifter because I was injured.
भाई वो तुम्हारी गलती क्यों इंजर्ड हुए
I'm just saying.
I had the क्या कहते हैं patience in training
Huh?
to not get injured
I was pushing so hard, that's why I got injured.
I was also pushing
I
so
was
hard
like history.
नहीं
But he's squatting 260 more than
गधे और घोड़े में फर्क होता है गधा सिर्फ मेहनत करता है घोड़ा दिमाग लगाता है
Yeah, so you're waiting for me to get injured. Shoot, yeah.
तूने ज्यादा मेहनत कर ली ओवर ट्रेन कर लिया
Fuck, I had too much biryani, I think.
मेरा भी आज ब्लोटनेस हो रही है ब्रेन टाइट ज्यादा हो रही है
Wow. Fuck, I actually had too much biryani. 1 second.
मेरी ज्यादा फास्ट थी कितना 235
Okay, one more challenge. Let's see who wins more in 2026 nationals in fact. Do you think you'll deadlift more than me in nationals?
डेडलिफ्ट
Look at his face.
डेडलिफ्ट तूने
No chance. Huh?
डेडलिफ्ट तूने कितनी मारी है मैक्सिमम आज तक?
322 I've done in gym. But at 78.
मैंने 322 कॉम में मारी है, मैं ज्यादा लगाऊंगा।
At 93.
हाँ,
Now my tech is coming back and I'm putting on weight.
who knows?
So okay, so say it. No, I'm
Yes.
just saying it, huh?
अबे मैं देखो हर चीज में आउट टोटल करूंगा।
So you'll squat more than
You
me?
squat, I will squat more than you.
Yeah,
bench
I'll
more
tell
than
you now,
deadlift more
I'll
than you.
squat, deadlift and I know I can't bench more than him. His bench is always good. Maybe, who knows, if he fucks up. But I'll put him, but
You wish.
No, I don't wish. I don't wish bad. I don't wish bad. I just wish good for myself. But deadlift, okay, deadlift you think you can outpull me?
Yes, brother.
26.
अब मैं तेरे से compete करना चाहूँगा तो मैं तेरे strongest point में compete करना चाहूँगा ना।
Huh?
If I want to
Okay.
compete with you, I want to compete with you in your strongest part.
Total is the
That's
strongest point.
नहीं, अगर तीनों लिफ्ट में से देखा जाए तो that is your strongest part. So I want to compete.
You know I ended with 287.
अरे उसमें देखा जाए अगर तो लॉन्ग मतलब हिस्ट्री देखा जाए अगर तेरी डेडलिफ्ट बेस्ट रही है तो मैं देखो उसमें कंपीट करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आई वांट कि मैं अगर किसी से कंपटीशन कर रहा हूँ तो मैं उसकी बेस्ट लिफ्ट में कंपटीशन करूँ ताकि मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ। मैं तेरे को बेंच में कंपटीशन क्यों करूँ? मुझे पता तू कम ही मारेगा।
Why? My bench is going up so fast.
हाँ पर मैं
What's your
तेरे
bench?
से
197 you've done?
कॉम में 197.5
And engine?
203
Bullshit, no pause.
नो पॉज।
I paused 170 properly.
वो तो बेंच तो मैं मार दूंगा यार। बेंच
So it's not
बेंच
that
मैंने
far.
टेक्निक भी करी है चेंज, अभी देखियो।
You see mine also.
मैंने अभी लास्ट ट्रेनिंग से ही ना
Squat, you squatted
जैसे
275.
मैं अनरैक कर रहा हूँ ना।
You squatted 275 comp.
हाँ
And on if I didn't fuck up, I had 270.
मेरे तो बहुत इजी थी 275 फर्स्ट
Straight
अटेम्प्ट।
mean, no travel.
हाँ नो ट्रैवल क्या बैठने के लिए
हाँ।
50 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल था।
Huh?
50 किलोमीटर दूर दूर था ऐसा 50 किलोमीटर।
How far is Japan, dude? What the fuck?
तो तेरे को टाइम मिला ना वहाँ पे।
No,
मैं देख बेंच में क्या करना शुरू करा, मैंने अनरैक करता था पहले। मैं जैसे अनरैक करता था लॉक होता था और मारना शुरू कर देता था। अभी मैंने क्या करा, मैं अनरैक करके ना अपने ये अंदर कर ले रहा हूँ थोड़े। और मेरे को पहले 83 kg के अंदर मुझे वीक फील होता था क्योंकि जब मेरे ट्राइसेप्स ज्यादा यूज में आते थे ना तो मेरे को नई पावर फील
Just
होती
tell this to your coach once what you do.
नहीं
Tell him once.
मैं बस अपने ट्राइसेप्स थोड़े से अंदर की तरफ करने की कोशिश
You know what
करता
you're doing? When you're doing this, you're not internal rotating, you're not helping yourself to push better.
हूँ। नहीं मैं एक्सटर्नल रोटेट मैक्सिमम करके
This is internal rotation.
पहले मैं एक्सटर्नल रोटेट
Internal.
हाँ इंटरनल रोटेट मैक्सिमम करके अनरैक कर लेता हूँ और फिर मैं मतलब इमेजिन करता हूँ बस कि मुझे ना बार की जो टचिंग पॉइंट है ना वो स्ट्रेट डाउन इधर की तरफ नहीं इधर की तरफ करना है। तो मेरी बार जैसे अगर मैं इधर स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन होती थी तो मेरी थोड़ी आगे हो गई है अराउंड 1 इंच आगे हो गई है जिसकी वजह से ना मैं अपने ट्राइसेप्स ज्यादा यूज कर पा रहा हूँ।
But why you want to use your tricep more?
क्योंकि मेरी चेस्ट वीक है। जब मैं नीचे लेके आ रहा था ना तो यहाँ पे लाने के बाद मेरी पावर यहाँ से खत्म हो रही थी। ये मेजर पॉइंट थे जहाँ पे मुझे पावरलेस फील होता था और बहुत
You know
clear
why?
था। और जब
You know
मैंने
why?
ये करा ना थोड़ा
No.
सा आगे शिफ्ट करा
You pause, when you're pausing in your chest and tricep, you're not using your lats.
पर अब जैसे मैंने टचिंग पॉइंट थोड़ा सा आगे करा ना भाई इतना बेटर
But
मतलब
you're not using your lats. The
That's
day
how
you
you-
start using your lats, you pause on your lats, right? You'll feel like a spring. You will look at my arms, you think I can bench 170.
अभी जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ना मेरे को स्प्रिंग जैसे फील हो रहा है। मेरे को लग रहा है मैं लेट्स यूज कर पा रहा हूँ।
You feel?
अब मैं तेरे को बता मैं भी गलत रहूंगा पर जो मैं टेक्निक कर रहा हूँ ना वो तुम देखियो। मे बी मैं एक्सप्लेन गलत कर रहा हूँ कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ लेकिन मैंने बस ये करा। मेरे को बस पता नहीं क्या है मैंने अनरैक करा और मैंने डबल डिप्रेस करने की कोशिश करी। मेरे को लगा कि मैं और डिप्रेस कर सकता हूँ तो मैं जस्ट लेके आया और मैंने और करा और वो बार ना 1 इंच आगे चली गई और मेरे को भाई नहीं होती खराब.
Alright, so quickly, I just want to tell you, Muscle has come up with this new whey. Alright, I've been using it for 1 month now. This is the gold premium whey. This is isolate. And I will be, from now on, you will only be seeing me use this instead of this. I'm not saying this is bad. This is also amazing. For those who want to buy a protein that is more on a budget, y'all can stick to this. I'm not saying that this is costly, but this is 1,400 rupees for 1 kilo. This is 2,000 rupees. This is a little more expensive, but still it is pretty affordable for such good quality whey. What is different in this? This is whey isolate, and this is made of only 7 natural ingredients. That is whey, then that's 85%. Then there's coca, and there's monk fruit powder. And yeah, I saw there was Himalayan salt in it, and if you open it and you see inside, you will literally see those little not crystals, you will see that something shiny, you will see the salt particles, right? So 1 scoop, 27 gram protein. These two are the only ways that have been very easy on my stomach. I think because there's something digestive, something in it. I have 2 scoops after gym. I've been using this for 6 months. Before the 6-month mark, I used to just have whole food, but because after moving up a class, I decided I need more protein, so I started including 2 scoops of this right after my gym session. But now, from now